How to add a workplace on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. On the left side, click on your profile. After you click on your profile, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in your profile and click on About. After you click on About, you'll find different options. Click on Work and Education on the left side. Then click on Add a Workplace. After you click on Add a Workplace, you'll find this kind of screen. Now add your company's name. After that, add your position there. After position, you can add city or town. You can also add description of the role. You can also add time period, which is I am currently working here, or from which year to which year. Then press on Save. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to add Workplace on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.